We here at Cranbourne East Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respect to their elders past, present and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
When we sing with pride and stand up straight.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslin as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Just a reminder that we have a colour fun run next term.
Our aim for each child is to raise $15.
There's lots of cool prizes to choose from. The more you raise, the more prizes you could choose from.
Keep fundraising over the
holidays.
Oh no, that's all right. Don't worry. Give me a wave, girls.